mà là cái tiếng chạy nhỏ có đúng đít media cái chẳng qua đâu có phải được cái ron khi mới đang rau đi chân đang rau đi bắtkel agan mag bangut gok đúng đít media về nung lơ trên là nung này như chẳng trên là cái rodian cái Junub Sudan cái là sang với mua nó đó điền anh qua là bắt cái lơ ngoan thì extensive cái nhầm bao nhiêu nung thuốc lơ cái tin chú ba cái Northern Jonglei State particularly Yakub có ra bắt cái episode as a response ngo direct to kalwa bompal kalwa bompal one of controversial figure ngai kondiale tane ke episode mo ga je baat mi ta ko abden ni tin ji to ka Akubu mi ta kalat ku ji mo yene ko dia la go re dung din media mi ran jo mi tiamping linge ya like ke bi share ko bene ko no wan le ko tung nuar na ma ba ku le chop ko ba ro na nong ne ka ta ro ke ne ka lo bompal ba ku ling kamin am ta ko la go ba ka ta ka abden ni ke situation to ka Akubu ba no warun ke chang wara wala ka pai dok che ta ko thuk dong wan ya na leng ta na da la ke je ko ne ne te ko mi ni nyok re ra ka Akubu cha la na pan ru ji ko ko gwa ron wang ko ya ba la ro ko gwa tyang yo ra mi ko ba me la ka wa joi ke chi ko lo ni wi dang ron wan na me te ke phone ya na kang ke ne gwa ron wang te ta na la ke je ko ne ne ji ke te ke tre ke ya ngong ni yer tor bi ele kien jo waga eastern part of the river min dan ko kore aba gor go rayamo she tok ta kan gwa mi kien de kon de ta tin won she go we dang rayamo yo la ta dan ji bur ge je ka ko bu man gwa tang dan ko kore ke gwa tang me ta bo joy ko wa la ge je te ko ri ni aron we dang la ge je ko re jo mo ko tiel ke gwa tang dan to dial do ko te ban verify in different source ban lon ken ban agor no wo men dan la bar e wo de ko ta ga tiel kana ron we dang ni ti yima na ju ku to tin ko ro jen de ko ndial ku go la bar min to ka ko bu ga tang mi ro de ku ja ko bu wo kon ngone ko position na ma le ne yen won ko Akubu teleran mi ti so brede mi ti nyu rede kane te kon te la jiter ni ta chan ne ni ga chen na yu we ke na bar dia le che ben gor ko ya jo rar ti ke ko ni dia ti chang on kene la on kene ka ba nyo go jo karar nu Akubu ton te ne kon up to today mi do dia ne wo preparation kene kon we go ke ka la ne ni chang ko situation ka Akubu te ka gwa de me better settle ge ngai ko no ko Akubu jen the tip ajen the pek mo loka agora jodo ko ni wan mi cher keno no woni ideal de to mo ntame ki ta gwar dien be wotin of course de gar ku yen de ko rol buini yemen na na ji wo tie gol kene area out of tie gol lakin where will the men go woni be woni la woni loko ko mai ken kele kwa ken ko this is the last ko ba mu lo ba ban pi ko sin mo mala na la ron ko no matter what and a situation which is now happening some confusion they to work. The reality grown quick dictate that we are seeing a very rapid change. Kataya done is you could major infiltrate. They log a major core, major sabotage. Kuna preparation where go, readiness where go, ne con are ready for any eventuality. We brought a lot. So we talk about the variants, the natural barrier, and the year. So we're no guade. We are still monitoring all the situation around that. So taro can the allo na Akubu ke gwatang. One even go point of our response. Rajanan do ne ka lo bompal. To ke ka ta na ya ko lat ni ko wa changdar elu tene ke response ni cho ka lo bompal. Ke nyam ba ya la reason na nan kune riak. War kan ko ni chanen tin gor ne ka lo bompal. So there is a take a tag message me ka lo bompal agor. All of us have seen Canadian like social media. Micha goro la bell. Bella spiala maigo. Try to get pure word to correspond when no one to trigger. Ba queen. Didn't the man chaka quarter galwa bompal. E ola rajago SPL mayo. Chakor mekane plan cheto. Chakor mekane plan cheto. Nye ke kum mita logistic, mita reinforcement, mita communication, mita whatever. Chakan di ala condela strengths of SPDF. Chaka kwen. Chualargo and Kena 83 Kumes fairly Eda door was well up, was better organized. To take a communication, take a whatever, to call a mention, compared to SPLM my own under. So Mununo was blaming. Melanating content or leadership of SPLM my own can strategies to call a core SPLM my own in plan. So no more Lada Japan, only 2 days now. After the situation Kaliu, away as we are seeing the situation in Akobo today. So that is the trigger. Go the reason why we are responding to him. Can allow the corner about a neck, a laurge. To write and a bomb pallet, your right go a lot and cannot be touched. When I talk about Galwa Bompal, some people may think, I don't know him. Maybe I know him as many people know him because social media. No. I know him physically. I got a Kel, I got Pete Kel, I got Ijmet Laburich. And if we talk about the experience of Ethiopia, Ethiopia, well, Kalawabom Ethiopian government as MP somewhere in Addis Ababa, who could represent the people of Gambela, Alanware, no doubt. Me, I served the Ethiopian army as a paratrooper, well-trained soldier in Ethiopian military. Chat-trained in Birshaloko, chat-trained also, Changa deployed to the 2nd Infantry Division, which are right, Colonel Brand Jula, now is a field marshal in the Ethiopia. He was a colonel that time, I was under him. I know Ethiopia, 75% of the Ethiopian land Jagadoin. I may not have experience like Galwa joining Ethiopia, but for my experience at young age, Chagor in Ethiopian politics, and I'm well up. I know what is happening in Ethiopia compared to Galwa. This is to those who don't know. Maybe you think Galwa know Ethiopia more than me. So that is the first thing. A message. Them working in content in the Galwa experience about Ethiopia more than I'm talking. So, Mandan and Ran Loine Raigaluak. Number one, history can tell us. Nuer used to forget. Lalarkan a dialogue our history. Nuer easily forget. This is our philosophy. We cannot change this. We forget someone, we call him Japan. Man today, indirectly or directly, despite it, because we forget them. So, I remember that Galwa Bompal targeting SPLM my organization. It was a story that repeated itself. A story we could repeat in order. And we mentioned about 1983. 1983, everybody know. Average person. Tuwapal, the father of Galwa Bompal. Galwa is Galwa Bompal, lakin one diye Tuwap. So, when I need 3, we have this story. We cannot talk about it. Go there time there now. From 1975 to 1983 to Condor. The objective was go back South Sudan, liberate. Forget about Alpha, forget about where, Jenine. South Sudan bus. That was the objective. And one of the organized 1975, led by several guys. So it's to remember, Ramago a crutch. No a crutch Ethiopian border. A bukayos of leadership can no but to walk at Wapal. Wapal Ramukuyo was a governor of Gambela. That time it was El Babur. A Yalakor Muragamo Roman. So it was senior officer of Ethiopian government. Compartment here with it. Shako, you $18,000. This story can't tell you, $18,000. Kid down $1 you are coming. They are coming, a group Jan, to take America, Swagarang to allow to meet him. Swagarang you Yanang, your Konaga government of Ethiopia. Swagarang your position, la put all, when you Ethiopia. Swagarang was supply much, logistic, communication, organization mean, cultural communication through Tuapan, Gambele. Nuor de conde de objective of Basa Sudan by liberate. Leadership at Arangue carry wood let Canor, for crutch, the conspiracy between Tuapal, Kenajang. This is the beginning of all the problem. Sorry for interruption, which I'll interrupt. So that is the story. We could repeat it on. And I know a mistake, which I'll let Canor at the Tuapal. And one historical mistake of politics. And we could hand for long. So we cannot talk about who made an image one who wanted to contain and support the Ethiopian government with objective of Basa Sudan by liberate. He can't win earlier. She's still here them men, and the mistake was made because of the Tuapal. Nobody can deny. They couldn't let them deny. So in Bishirkeno, Tuapal now is in Juba since 2020. A year in Nairobi, a year wherever, Juba is being accommodated for hotel. A self-care, Kume, you know. Because of that story, is their darling, a Modian. So Jaga Juba. No, it's about the story of the war. There are many things we can talk about, but this is one particular story. Me let a conwar. And this story to war, can I pack the war of South Sudan road, a manual of Ethiopia. Go the Pal of Dergi, 1991. They kumpen to the Tigrin, the Tigray government. Norwich Wagam Street from 1991 up to Liao Malazanawi for 27 years. Titela Nuar Mukab Gambele, come on again, they Gambel. La Bonabar, Bagwaranwar. So Quaj Bor Quaga Peb, in expen of Nuari, because of War Medan, Chituapal, Chicon is fair, Kedergi. Rajmayorat, which is a living story, who from 1991 for 27 years during Tigray rule, Ken Nuor can call me, Nuor Quaqual Galwatut. Kaila Mariam de Sale. Woman wood southern Ethiopia. May have been you and welcome quar, you can walk without quarter gambele. Yes, you know what you want a transition. Compare Kumitigi Rigan Kumite con the subsequent government de Benagambele. To Kume Ilamariam de Salintin. To Kume Abi Ahmedin, led by Urum. Let me just say it. Sugarloa Bompal. Your system may go down a bay and then water pepper. Monday is status quo. Which you know what a Gambella right, Monday she. You look. Your correte, you tell your woman, tell your Abi Ahmed, you are a tigrin. Tigrin con. Teach our Norkulum Street for 27 years. Some of these tour of Tigrin. We call on Ethiopia, we call on South Sudan. For example, Malana Laga 215, Kadiz Baba. Need a yargaje, Tenu Garang Machorga, teach Ade Banuk, Ketigrin. As you must spend the Medan and no young machar, commit to kit Karodi Rejuba, despite their time. Tell agreement their time. You must spend Jacob. All the key leaders, Ketigrin, the Coneta government in Edan. Jacob. $1 million to noon like a money and I report it. So they conspire again, Nuari, take South Sudan, and still they are conspiring Nuari to connect to Ethiopia. Elaraming, which Manana or Mushing, Yaramanana, they're taking their support in any direction. Chicalobo, political support. United Gambel. That we say, Belle Kume as PLMIU today. Organization, logistic. Whatever. Kume de Menanete Ethiopia. Kukumbeda Nete Ethiopia. Changulen. ngu ja organize logistic ni no taro ko de ko ti ka lo bon pal wo question nan yalat wai ko lade e sabotage so ngar ne no re ngar ke interest ni ke te wal te tene ko gwan because there is no reason to blame kuma spell my go today but you could ka ko and you know the beginning of all the problem ni ka ta to rode and you will think ko ga lo bum jama ko ne no re ka organize cha ko de te ka pai woro me to ka re lo no why today so taro ken logic ba kon ja ngai kon manana to story but I remember people by evaluate the background of your family dorun we indi cheni ma bi chen kun wi ngote we ne dwal no ngote we indi gwere no ngote na mo jin ba jal kel ye so mutu ne la ko kon spare ga nor amana gad kun ma dar kon sparing again nor ke generation be Garo bon pal we cannot say one is supporter of SPLM. No. So right mo lo ni right no kun dia lo kon la ne and that our response cha ko la do kuriak ni garo bon pal ke comment me kin je go to garo bon pal timeline yo je men jogor ba dai wo je na no kun respond that we are fierced till the al kan got ken no ye on we about galo bompal is up to you we are ready to respond to you kami palie be and we are waiting for galo bompal to question all to chakala timi kan got ken ke mo gwe mo re lo ni ko shukran